Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video I'm going to show you the latest and amazing wallpaper design ideas. Bring the walls of your home to life with one of our incredible design wallpapers. From vintage birds to unique shapes and print, we have designs that cover all bases. There are design wallpapers in our collection to suit all taste, style and interior designs theme. So watch the full video and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. If you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. There are designs wallpaper in our collection. If you prefer more modern wallpaper design creation, we have dozens of geometric print featuring bright and vibrant color as well as creative design technique that will bring life to your home. Watch our collections of quality designs wallpaper and add a creative feel to your interior themes that truly bespoke perfect for a range of rooms such as the living room, bedroom, dining room and more. In love with the idea of fabulous wallpaper but afraid to pick whether you are decorating a whole room or a feature wall or a cabinet interior, wallpaper add instant color and texture to large and small spaces. From modern geometric to feminine, these worthy wallpaper designs are guaranteed to make any space come alive. If your walls could talk, they would thank you. Wallpapers are perfect solution to transform a space without much effort. Wallpapers form a base that holds the style of the apartment together. In this way, the wallpapers provides a prepared canvas for you to render according to your vision. Wall art by Decor is a beautiful example of wallpaper with elegant design. These wallpapers are sure to upgrade your home decor and add grandeur to your space in a simple yet effective way. With numerous alternatives of wallpaper to choose from, it may seem like a challenge to pick the perfect one. Either maintain a consistent theme and accordingly select a house wallpaper is a difficult task. Living room wallpaper sets the tone for the entire home for a timeless look. Keep it classic with metallic collection of design. It offers a mix of texture and damask patterned wallpaper in neutral metallic tones, creating a simple design for your home. Collections of wallpapers offers a delightful and colorful visual backdrop suitable for a home and casual appeal. Floral wallpaper are also the best choice for the themes. Bedroom wallpaper reflect your personality for a romantic soil. With home wallpapers, set up an appealing backdrop for your home decoration and for all the conservation event and moment to unfold from here on. We will be the first to admit that installing wallpaper is a huge undertaking. Not only does the process itself require the utmost attention, but it's also a big commitment. After all, it's always possible that you will tire of your once desired repeat a few years later, but if you want to breathe some life into your home in a way that a fresh coat of paint cannot capture, wallpaper can be designed investment worth making, so we searched high and low for the best wallpaper rooms around to give you endless inspiration. I hope that you like these ideas. If you like these ideas, so hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. I again request to all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel because it is a great support for me and it will increase the value of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. I am very thankful to viewer who watch my full video. Thanks again.